to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our activities focus on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Rachel, and in today's activity, we will be learning how to find the unknown number in an equation that involves either multiplication or division. Let's get started. For today's activity, we will need 2 dice to roll with, a blank sheet of paper, and something to write with. It is also an option to print an activity sheet that has practice problems. This can be found in the description. To find the unknown number in an equation, it's really important to know your multiplication and division factors. Let's review those now. To be able to find the unknown number of an equation, it's really important to fully know your multiplication factors. Let's review those now. Here we have a multiplication table with all the factors you should know. Using this, you can test yourself to see if you know them. For example, what is 6 times 8? Remember, to read a multiplication table, you find the 2 numbers that you are trying to multiply and find where the row and the column meet. That's right, 6 times 8 equals 48. When you know your multiplication factors well, you can do problems without the table. Let's try another one. What is 81 divided by 9? That's right, 9. We can also use the multiplication chart for division by asking ourselves, 9 times what other number gives us 81? So we can see that 9 times 9 will give us 81. And so 81 divided by 9 would give us 9. Let's do a fun activity to review. Get 2 dice and roll them. Then multiply the 2 numbers that you roll together. So for example, I rolled a 4 and a 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. If you have your own dice, then pause this video and multiply the 2 numbers that you get. If you don't have 2 dice, I will roll some examples for you now. Here I will roll a few practice problems. So we can see that I got 4 and 2. What is 4 times 2? That's right, 8. Let's do another one. Here we see we have 3 and 2. What is 3 times 2? It's 6. Good job. Last one. Looks like we've already done this problem. Let's roll it again. What is 2 times 1? That's right, 2. You're an expert at this. But what if we don't know the 2 numbers that we are multiplying or dividing by, and we only know 1 and what they equal? For example, here we have 6 times some number equals 12. Think about your factors and what times 6 equals 12. That's right, 6 times 2 equals 12. So our unknown number is 2. Let's look at an example with division. Say we have 6 divided by some number equals 3. So we have 6 to begin with, and we can represent this by drawing 6 circles. Now, we have 6 circles, but we need to divide 6 with some number so that we have groups that have 3 circles each. Let's see if I split 6 into 2 groups, what happens? That's 1 group, and this is 2 groups. See how each group has 3? So our unknown number is 2, since by splitting 6 into 2 groups, we got groups of 3. So we know that 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now I'm wondering if you could help me with something. I have 12 pieces of candy that I would love to share equally among 3 of my close friends. Let's take a closer look. Here are the 12 pieces of candy that I hope to share with my 3 friends. So the question is, 12 divided by what would give me 3? Another question to ask that will help us is 3 times what equals 12? That's right, 3 times 4 equals 12. Now let's see how I can split 12 evenly into 3 groups. Now let's see how I can split 12 evenly into 3 groups. Let's count 4 pieces of candy in each group and see if that gives us 3 groups. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can see that we have 3 groups of 4 that equals 12. Now, what do you think our unknown number is for 12 divided by something gives us 3? That's right, 4. Also remember our multiplication chart, and that 3 times 4 equals 12. This also helps us know that 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. Thank you for helping me share this candy with my friends and for learning with America Reads today. That's all for today's lesson. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos soon.